IREN has gone from a Bitcoin mining story to one of the most aggressive infrastructure bets in the market, and the move has been wild. The stock has already exploded over the last year, and you'd think the easy money might already be gone, but that's exactly what makes this setup so interesting, because the market isn't just reacting to what IREN is today, it's trying to figure out what the company could become if its AI infrastructure plan actually works. And then when you've got Nvidia involved, a massive Texas data center site coming online, and a major software acquisition all stacked on top of each other, investors are starting to ask a very different question. Is IREN still just a volatile Bitcoin miner with a new story attached to it? Or is this one of those rare moments where the market is early to a much bigger transition? Now, I'm not saying that any of this is low risk. It absolutely isn't. The valuation is stretched, the balance sheet is aggressive, dilution is real, and with a stock this volatile, buying at the wrong time can hurt. And that's why in this video, I'm going to break down the three biggest things that investors need to understand. First, what IREN's current valuation is already pricing in. Second, why Nvidia, Sweetwater, and the Mirantis deal could become real growth drivers. And third, how all of this could affect the stock from here. My name is Rick Orford. I'm a Wall Street Journal bestselling author. I've been trading since 1999, and no, I'm not a financial advisor. That is a good thing. I break down the numbers so retail investors like us can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. So let's start with where IREN trades today, because this is where the story it's a little uncomfortable. IREN recently traded around $55 a share, giving it a market cap of roughly $20 billion. And the performance has been nothing short of massive. Over the last year, the stock is up around 592%. Over the last 3 years, up over or almost 1,300%. And when that happens, questions about its valuation come up, even in my community. So right away, that tells you what kind of stock this is. IREN isn't a quiet compounder. It's a high volatility growth story with a very big thesis that's attached to it. And the 52-week range tells you everything you need to know. The stock is traded as low as $7.35 and as high as $76.87. That kind of move can create some life-changing gains. But it can also punish anyone who buys at the wrong moment. So before getting excited about their AI story, I think investors need to be honest about what the market is already pricing in. On traditional valuation metrics alone, IREN is very, very expensive. The stock is trading at around 125 times price to earnings and 26 times price to sales. That means investors are paying big premiums for every dollar of profit and every dollar of revenue that the company produces. In fact, IREN has one of the highest price to earnings ratio amongst its peers. Now, maybe that premium is justified. Maybe the AI opportunity here is big enough to support it. But you'd honestly expect better, wouldn't you? I mean, if the stock is already priced like everything has to go right, and that's why simply Wall Street's valuation is going to be helpful here. IREN gets a 0 out of 6 on valuation, and I think that's a useful reminder. I mean, the chart may look exciting, the growth story may sound compelling, but the valuation is already very demanding. And that's exactly why I like, this view before buying a high-flying stock like IREN. It forces you to look more at momentum. You're not just saying, is the stock going up? You're asking about valuation, growth, profitability, financial health, dividends, and past performance. And to be fair, IREN's numbers are not weak. The company posted trailing 12-month revenue of around $757 million on earnings of $158 million. Gross margin was 68% and net margin was near 21%. So those are strong numbers for a business that's mostly known as a Bitcoin miner not too long ago. And that's why the market is giving IREN such a big premium right now. They're looking ahead. And I also say they're pricing in the possibility that IREN becomes a serious AI infrastructure player between now and the next few years. In fact, simply Wall Street, the analyst consensus here for the fair value sits at $75 a share. So from the recent trading prices, that would point to roughly 36% upside. Community fair value estimates, they're even wider, clustering between $41.50 and $136 a share. Now, my take is that the analyst consensus number is the more realistic one. It gives credit to the AI opportunity, but still leaves room for execution risk. The community estimates, though, those feel a little bit more aggressive to me. They assume the AI pivot works smoothly, and with infrastructure rollouts this big, smooth execution is never guaranteed. And there's also another number that investors should keep in mind. IREN's beta is 4.18, and the average weekly move is around 13.5%. That's more than double the broad market. So this stock can absolutely move violently. And that matters because volatility doesn't just test your portfolio, it tests your patience, your timing, and your ability to stay rational. And that's why I wouldn't treat IREN like a core holding. I think for most investors, this belongs in the speculative bucket of a portfolio, maybe between 0.5% and 1% as a position, at least depending on one's risk tolerance. The upside could be exciting, but volatility also deserves a lot of respect. Now, if you've been watching IREN but think, look, it's still too expensive, maybe you want to buy it 10, 15, 20% lower than where it is right now. Check this video up here because I talk about how you can sell a cash-secured put on a stock you want to own and get paid to wait for it to potentially come down to your price. And if it does, you get to buy it. And that's important, especially with a stock that's this volatile. How you enter can matter almost as much as what you believe about its long-term story. Now let's talk about the balance sheet because this is where a lot of the bear case lives. Simply Wall Street gives IREN a financial health score of 2 out of 6. For a company going through a major business model shift that kind of feels fair, and this is where the platform is useful. It pulls debt, cash runway, dilution, and financial risk all into one place instead of having to dig through multiple filings. The first number that stands out to me is its debt to equity. Yes, it may sound scary at first, but also, like usual, context matters. Data center businesses, they need a lot of money to build. Power, land, chips, buildings, and infrastructure. None of this is cheap. And IREN is trying to fund a massive AI build-out, so a heavier balance sheet is just kind of like par for the course. But the bigger issue here is dilution. Simply Wall Street flags that shareholders have been heavily diluted over the past year, and existing shareholders had to absorb it. Now, if IREN delivers on forecasted revenue growth of around 48.7% per year, investors may be willing to forgive some of that dilution. But if growth disappoints, well, dilution suddenly becomes a much bigger problem. And the earnings forecast doesn't look as good on paper either, with earnings expected to fall sharply over the next few years. But even that number needs context. Last year's Bitcoin-related gains created a tough comparison, while the AI build-out is now pulling in a lot of the spending moving forward. So my read on this is simple. IREN's balance sheet is built for expansion. It's built to chase a very large AI infrastructure opportunity, but that comes with some real trade-offs: debt, dilution, spending, volatility. If you need a clean, conservative balance sheet, IREN is probably going to make you a little uncomfortable. But if you understand how infrastructure companies scale, this is exactly the part of the story that we need to watch closely. Because the opportunity may be real, but the funding path matters. And that brings me to the first major growth driver. On May 7th, IREN signed a 5-year AI infrastructure cloud services contract with Nvidia. And the headline number? $3.4 billion in contract value. And Nvidia received a 5-year right to purchase up to 30 million IREN shares at $70 a share. And that would represent a potential investment of up to $2.1 billion subject to conditions. That's a big signal. Nvidia's got many options. So when it commits capital to an infrastructure partner, investors should pay attention. It also suggests that Nvidia sees IREN as a company that can help support the next phase of AI demand. And the numbers are what make this deal stand out. That $3.4 billion in contract is equal to roughly 4.5 times IREN's trailing 12-month revenue. Spread that out over 5 years, and we're talking about $680 million in annual revenue. And that's a major step up. If IREN executes well, revenue could move much higher by fiscal 2028. And this is why the market has started looking at IREN less like a Bitcoin miner and more like an AI infrastructure company. Now, I would be careful with the margin assumptions, right? I mean, AI infrastructure can be profitable, but it also requires heavy spending on chips, power, facilities, and financing. So I wouldn't automatically assume that today's net margin is going to carry over perfectly. Of course, the direction is clear. This Nvidia deal does give IREN revenue visibility, credibility, and a much stronger seat at the table with future customers. And that may be the biggest part of the story. The contract is valuable on its own, but the relationship with Nvidia, this could be even more valuable if it helps IREN win more AI infrastructure deals over time. The risk here is execution. Building towards 5 gigawatts of infrastructure is a mammoth task. If IREN delivers, this deal could become the turning point in the company's entire investment case. But if execution slips, the valuation could get very hard to defend. And on top of the Nvidia announcement, IREN also made 2 important moves. On May 5th, the company signed a definitive agreement to acquire Mirantis for approximately $625 million in IREN ordinary shares. Around the same time, IREN also energized its 1.4 gigawatt Sweetwater 1 data center site in Texas. The Mirantis deal is important because it gives IREN a software layer. I mean, IREN already had the power, the land, the data centers, and the infrastructure. Then Mirantis, well, that helps manage and operate the cloud environment inside those facilities. And that can make the business more valuable because selling infrastructure alone can become more competitive over time. But selling infrastructure with software, management tools, and enterprise support, well, that can create better margins and deeper customer relationships. Sweetwater is the other piece of the puzzle here, right? At 1.4 gigawatts, Sweetwater 1 gives IREN a much larger platform to serve AI demand. If the site ramps up successfully, it could support a very large number of high-end GPUs and become one of the company's most important growth assets. And this is why the market is watching IREN so closely. The Nvidia deal gives IREN credibility. Sweetwater gives it capacity, and Mirantis gives it a stronger software and operating layer. Put together, those 3 pieces make the AI infrastructure story feel much more serious. Of course, the financing side here still matters a lot. IREN has been raising capital, and investors are worried sick about dilution. And that concern is fair. Big infrastructure buildouts require a lot of money. But my read is that recent weakness in the stock is more about financing concerns than the quality of assets. I mean, the assets are real, the demand is real, the opportunity is large. The only question now is execution. If Sweetwater ramps well and Mirantis helps IREN win more enterprise customers, revenue could move meaningfully higher over the next few years. But wait, before you run off and buy the stock, let's talk about the biggest risk. We're going to call it the 500-pound elephant in the room: dilution. On May 11th, IREN announced a $2 billion convertible senior notes offering due in 2033. By May 12th, that offering was increased to $2.6 billion with a 1% coupon. Now, convertible notes are debt that can later turn into stock, and that can be useful for funding growth, but it can also dilute existing shareholders. For this deal, the initial conversion price is $73.07 a share. That was about 32.5% above IREN's share price at the time of closing. And the capped call protection goes up all the way up to $110. Basically, IREN gets capital today, but if the stock rises enough later, shareholders may have to absorb more dilution. And this isn't the only convertible note that investors need to think about. When you include IREN's earlier 2029 and 2030 convertible notes, potential dilution, all stacked up together, becomes much larger. The latest offering alone could represent tens of millions of new shares issued in the future. And that's why the stock dropped after the announcement. The market wasn't rejecting the AI story, it was reacting to the cost of funding that story. And that's the risk with IREN. The company needs a lot of money to build infrastructure that's behind the Nvidia opportunity, Sweetwater, and the broader AI cloud business. But the more capital it raises, the more existing shareholders have to give up on the upside. And that risk is manageable, but only if execution stays on track. If Sweetwater ramps on schedule and the Nvidia contract starts converting into real revenue, well, this is going to be good for IREN shareholders. But if timelines slip even by a few quarters, the math gets a lot harder to compute. Investors could end up owning a smaller piece of a company that still has to prove that it's worth the valuation. By the way, I added a link to IREN's stock page on Simply Wall Street in the description, or you can scan this QR code. Now, let me tell you, this is the best deal around. Sign up through my link, and you're going to get 5 company reports for free every single month. And if you later choose to upgrade, because you registered through my link, you're automatically going to get 30% off all plans. So here's what I think. I got to say, I am bullish on IREN, but with a little bit of discipline. Again, the Simply Wall Street analyst consensus fair value sits around $75 a share, which points to meaningful upside at current levels. And I like that the platform gives us the analyst range, community estimates, and the downside case all in one place. Because with a stock this volatile, you do need to see the big picture. IREN has the contracts, it's got the assets, it's got the capacity, and it's got validation from Nvidia. That's why the upside case is real. But the real problem here is the balance sheet. Debt, dilution, and execution risk are all part of the deal here for me. So for me, IREN is not a stock to chase blindly. I mean, it's a high conviction, high volatility bet that needs careful sizing. If you've got a 3 to 5 year time horizon or more and can stomach big weekly swings, then the risk reward still looks very interesting. Just size it up in a way that lets you sleep at night if execution takes longer than expected. But now I want to turn it over to you. What do you think about IREN? Are you buying at these levels? Do you own the stock? And is there any other stock you'd like me to cover in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're there, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps others find the video, it supports the channel, and it makes sure that you don't miss out on my next deep dive. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.